गुड मॉर्निंग प्यारे बच्चों। बेटा कल हमने पैरेललोग्राम की प्रॉपर्टीज़ पढ़ी थी और नाउ टुडे वी स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज 3.3। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज इज ABCD, it is a parallelogram. We have to complete the following statements and give reasons also. AD equal. Now since it is a parallelogram and yesterday we have studied that opposite sides of parallelogram, they are equal. It means AD equal BC. So the reason is opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Second part, angle DCB. DCB is this angle. We know that the opposite angles of parallelogram, they are equal. So angle DCB is equal to angle BAD. So this is equal to angle BAD because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Now OC equal. OC is a part of a diagonal and here we have two diagonals AC and BD. So OC will be equal to OA because the diagonals of parallelogram, they bisect each other. Because diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Measure of angle DAB. DAB is this angle plus CDA. CDA is this one angle. So sum of consecutive angles of a parallelogram is 180. We know that's why this is equal to 180 degree because sum of consecutive angles of parallelogram is 180 degree. Now second question, this is a parallelogram and we have to find the unknown values x, y, z and angle B is given 100 degree. Now we use the properties of parallelogram. Let us name these vertices as A, B, C, D. We know that opposite angles are equal. So y is equal to 100 degree. So angle D equal B equal 100 degree because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Now these two angles B and C are consecutive angles. Therefore, sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. So angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because consecutive angles of parallelogram, or you can say adjacent angles, are supplementary. Now B is 100 degree, C is x, so x is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, that is 80 degree. And A is equal to angle C. Again the same reason, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So angle A equal angle C, that is 80 degree. Here you can write y is equal to 100 degree. Now see question number 2. In question number 2, one angle is given and you have to find the unknowns. Here you can name this angle as 1. Now 1 and angle is equal to 50 degree because these are opposite angles. And then by linear pair property you can find z. And similarly you can find x by the property that adjacent angles of parallelogram, they are supplementary. So 50 plus x is 180 degree. Then you can find x. And then x and y are opposite angles, so they will be equal. Similarly in third part, this is given 90 degree and these two lines are intersecting. So these two angles, they are vertically opposite angles. So x will also be of 90 degree. Now by angle sum property, you can, so by angle sum property, in this triangle, x plus y plus 30 is 180 degree. You can find angle y. And then since this is a parallelogram and these two are opposite sides, so they are parallel and this is transversal. So y equal to z, alternate interior angles. You can do this. And this is same as this question. Second part you can do. Now question fifth part. Again this is a parallelogram. One diagonal is drawn and these two angles are given. You have to find x, y and z. Now since these two angles, they are adjacent angles, so their sum is 180 degree. Angle DAB plus angle ABC is 180 degree because adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. DAB is 40 plus Z and ABC is 112 equal 180 degree. So it is Z equal 180 degree minus 152 degree. So this is 28 degree. Now Z is known to you and these two are parallel lines. DC is parallel to AB and AC is transversal. Therefore Z equal X and this is equal to 28 degree because alternate interior angles, because they are forming alternate interior angles. Now in this triangle, you know an X, this angle is known. You can find Y by using the angle sum property of triangle. In triangle ADC, using angle sum property of triangle, we have Y plus X plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. X is 28 degree. So Y plus 28 plus 40 is equal to 180. So Y equal 180 minus 68 degree, that is 212 degree. That's all for today, bachcho. Now you complete question number 1 and 2. Thank you.